This is a video by Richpin. Today we're going to be using a calibrated ignition tester to test a vehicle that does not start. There are two ignition testers that are out there. One is for conventional ignitions and one is for electronic ignitions. So if you're working on an electronic ignition like we're going to be working on today, you want one that looks like this. The big difference is on the electronic ignition, there is no probe or electrode that comes out of the center right here. So that's what you need to look for with the one made for electronic ignitions. Now to use your ignition tester, you need to find a spark plug wire, remove it from the spark plug, and then take your tester and insert it as you would a spark plug into the spark plug wire. Now find a good ground. In this case, this bolt of the valve cover will work good. Next, have somebody turn over the engine while you observe the tester. Now, if you didn't see any sparks whatsoever out of your tester, that's where the problem is. Something related to the ignition system. If you did see sparks, well then it's most likely related to your fuel system. And that's it for today for testing with your calibrated ignition tester.